Hello there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Hobbies and More, your go to channel for all things green and beautiful. I'm Sudeshna, and today I have a treat for all you plant enthusiasts out there. We are diving deep into the captivating world of Anthurium plants, discussing their care, unique features, and much more. Anthuriums, also known as flamingo flowers, are truly a sight to behold. Their heart-shaped glossy leaves and vibrant exotic-looking blooms can instantly elevate the aesthetics of any space. We'll explore the various Anthurium species and hybrids, discussing the range of colors and patterns that make these plants so intriguing. Now, let's talk about the care these beauties require to thrive, from lighting and watering to soil and humidity. I'll cover it all. Join me as we discover the secrets to keeping your anthuriums healthy and happy. Before we move forward, let's take a moment to revisit our last episode, where we explored the captivating world of Monstera plant. We learned about their unique fenestrated leaves and how to care for these trendy tropical wonders. If you missed it, make sure to catch up and add some Monstera magic to your indoor jungle. Now let's dive to the Anthurium journey. I am having not one but two Anthurium plants. One at my office, another in my cozy home. Meet the star of my tale, an Anthurium that resides in my office space. With its glossy leaves and striking blooms, it adds a touch of nature to this corporate setting, turning this workspace into a mini oasis. It is truly heartwarming to see how this Anthurium convert this space, make it vibrant. And now, let's take a peek into my home, where another Anthurium graces their space. In this time, the plant adds a touch of elegance to my personal sanctuary. Now it is clear that I share a special bond with my Anthuriums. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Anthurium plant. Anthuriums are tropical plants that hail from the rainforest of Central and South America. One of their most distinctive features is their vibrant heart-shaped leaves. These leaves come in a variety of colors, from deep green to shade of red, pink and even white. The glossy sheen on the leaves add to their visual appeal, making them a popular choice among indoor plant enthusiasts. Anthurium flowers are what truly set them apart. These flowers consist of a bright color spathe, often mistaken for petals, and finger-like structure called spadix. The spathe can be red, pink, white or even mix of these hues. While the spadix is usually contrasting color, the combination creates eye-catching and elegant display that adds a touch of this exotic to any space. Now let's talk about how to care for these stunning plants so they can thrive and continue to mesmerize us with their beauty. First thing first, lighting and temperature. Anthurium thrive in bright indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, so placing them near a window with a sheer curtain or in a spot with filtered light is ideal. They also appreciate consistent temperatures. Avoid exposing them to the draft or sudden temperature fluctuation. Always think about their natural habitat. It will help you to understand this plant's requirement. Now the next thing coming into our mind is watering and humidity. When it comes to watering, it is best to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out between waterings. Anthuriums also appreciate higher humidity level, so consider misting the leaves regularly or placing a tray of water near the plant. What is truly fascinating is that many Anthurium species are epiphytic, which means they grow on another plants rather than in the soil. This unique lifestyle allows them to capture nutrients from the air and the debris that accumulated around them. Anthurium often find cozy spots on tree branches on rocky crevices. Their root attached to this surface absorbing water and nutrients from rainwater, air and decaying organic matter. It's an incredible survival strategy that showcases resourcefulness of these plants. I hope this information help you to understand soil requirement and humidity requirement of your anthurium plants. As now you understand about anthurium's natural habitat, it will also help you to choose its potting mix and feeding ingredients. Well-draining potting mix that retains some moisture is perfect for anthuriums. You can create a mix using peat moss, perlite, orchid bark, coco peat, anything which can retain moisture but not make root waterbound. Always avoid any type of clayey soil. It will kill your anthurium. Learning from few failures, I studied, learned and experiment a bit. Then prepare a soil mix for my anthurium. Finger crossed. These are going absolutely good for last 1 year. Here is the composition on your screen. As for fertilization, balance any liquid fertilizer you can apply for every 1.5 months to 2 months. That will keep your anthurium happy and thriving. If you ask me, I use liquid seaweed fertilizer, also NPK 19-19-19 in every month. Now regarding propagation, anthurium propagation is an exciting journey that allows you to create a new plants from your existing ones. There are few methods you can try. One common method is division propagation. As your anthurium grows, it might develop multiple shoots or clumps. Gently remove these clumps and ensure each has some root attached. Then plant them in their own pots and you will have a brand new anthurium ready to thrive. See, here is my baby of my office anthurium. I only got success by division method. Other process is stem cutting. I am experimenting with this method for last 2 months but still there is no luck. If I succeed and understand actual tricks, definitely I'll share that tricks with you. Now about common problems. Every plant parent faces at some point the common problems that can affect anthurium plants. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through these challenges and help you keep your anthurium thriving. First problem is yellowing leaves. Overwatering can lead to waterlogged roots and cause the leaves to turn yellow. On the other hand, underwatering can also stress the plant and result in yellowing leaves. The key is to find the right balance. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering again. Normally, with my potting mix, I water my anthurium plants once in a week. You can also drink the same. The next problem is leaf browning. Another issue that might pop up is browning of the leaf edges. This can be a sign of inconsistent humidity level or overexposure to sunlight. Already I discussed this earlier, but again repeating the same for you. To combat this problem, consider misting the leaves regularly to increase humidity or placing a tray of water near your anthurium. You can also group your plants together to create a microclimate with higher humidity and also keep them in shady areas. Now about pests and diseases. Like all plants, anthuriums can be vulnerable to pests and diseases. Prevention is always better than cure, so regularly inspect your plants for pests like aphids, mealybugs and spider mites. If you spot any, gently remove them using a soft brush or a cotton swab. Keeping your plants clean and providing good air circulation that can also help prevent infestation. And as for diseases, if you notice any discolored or distorted leaves, it's best to remove them promptly to prevent the spread. Ensure your anthurium has proper air circulation and isn't sitting on excess water, as this can help prevent fungal disease. Also, regularly spray neem oil and fungicide. I normally spray neem oil once in a week and fungicide once in a month. Now, here's a little sneak peek into my next episode. Get ready to be mesmerized by the enchanting world of caladiums. With their colorful, intricate foliage, these plants are sure to steal your heart. Join me as I delve into the care and cultivation of these show-stopping beauties. Fellow plant lovers, your crash course on anthurium plants is come to an end. From their captivating blooms to their relatively manageable care requirements, these tropical wonders are a fantastic addition to any plant collection. Whether you are a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, anthuriums are sure to make your space come alive with their beauty. I hope you enjoyed my exploration of Anthurium plants and are excited as I am for my upcoming Caladium adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you keep nurturing your green companions and stay tuned for more exciting episodes on hobbies and more. Until next time, keep blooming and keep growing. Bye.